Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in improving your digital privacy and learning more about how secure internet tools work, then you're in the right place. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a Shadowsocks server using HTTP Injector on your Android device. This guide is designed to help you understand the process in a clear, responsible, and educational way, especially if you're new to this kind of setup. Disclaimer before we start. This tutorial is for educational and informational purposes only. Please make sure to follow all local laws and the terms of service of any websites, services, or applications mentioned. The intention here is to help you learn how to use privacy-focused tools responsibly. Step 1. To begin, we'll first need access to a Shadowsocks server. Open any secure browser on your Android phone. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the search results, look for the official site and tap on it. Once the homepage opens, tap the menu icon. Usually 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu options, select SSH servers. Even though it's labeled SSH, you'll find other protocols here too. On the next screen, select Shadowsocks server. You might see a CAPTCHA or human verification box. Complete it, then tap the Generate Server button. Within a few seconds, the Shadowsocks server will be created. Copy the server details, which will typically include the server IP, port, encryption, method, and password. Step 2. Now that your server is ready, let's move on to configuring the client side. Open the Google Play Store on your device. Search for HTTP Injector VPN. Buy a VOZ. Download and install the app. Once installed, open the app. You'll be greeted with the home screen. Step 3. Tap on the gear icon at the top of the home screen to open Settings. In the Settings menu, tap Shadowsocks to begin configuration. Tap the clipboard icon, which will open a text input window. Paste the Shadowsocks server details that you copied earlier. Tap OK or Save to store the configuration. Now tap the back arrow to return to the previous screen. Step 4. Now we need to set up the correct connection parameters. Tap the drop-down icon next to tunnel type and select Shadowsocks. Next, tap the drop-down for connection type and choose a compatible method direct or TLS, based on your server type. If required, you can tap the pencil icon to enter a host name. Enter a valid SNI if your server requires it. Make sure all entries match the details provided by your server. Step 5. Once all settings are configured, tap Start to initiate the connection. You'll be prompted to grant VPN permissions. Tap Allow. You should now see a key icon or notification that indicates your VPN connection is active and secure. This means your Shadowsocks connection has been successfully established through the HTTP Injector app. Final thoughts. And that's it. You've now successfully configured a Shadowsocks server using HTTP Injector on your Android device. This setup can be helpful for those interested in learning how VPN and encryption technologies work in practice. It can also provide an added layer of privacy on public or shared networks, as long as it's used responsibly and legally. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more privacy-focused tutorials and digital safety content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.